to you on how you can perform logistic regression in SPSS, logistic regression analysis in SPSS. Please, before that, remember to subscribe, share or like my videos, so that we move together and we make a community of those who are willing and eager to know more about SPSS program for data analysis. Your kindness is my motivation. Thank you. Now, logistic regression is used when you have a binary dependent variable, success and failure, success and failure, success and failure, etc. And you want to see how it relates to one or more independent variables. Now, to begin working on this, you must first of all open your data and ensure you have SPSS installed on your computer. This is a very important primary step, because you cannot perform an analysis in a program that hasn't been installed in your on your computer. Excuse me. Open your SPSS and load your data. Click File, Open Data, select your data set. Okay, here is the data that is already loaded on my computer. And check your data, make sure your data is ready for analysis, because if your data has any error, the results also will not be correct. You will not get the correct results. And ensure your dependent variable is binary. For example, binary means 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Now, I want to show you here. I did not put that here, but I want to show you just the example how you put these binary variables. Here I have the data. The variable which is on strongly disagree, strongly agree, disagreeing. So, but if you have 1 and 2 only, that means binary. 2, 0 and 1, that means here variable will be 1, and you put the label here. If it is yes, you put yes. Okay, so I'm not going to add this here because this data is for something else, but I'm just trying to show you on how to do it. So you put 1 representing yes, then you add. Okay, so if it is 0, you put 0, then you say no, you add here no, you put here no. Okay, so and then you add. So no will represent 0 will represent no, or you can use 1 and 2, 1 for yes and 2 for no, or 1 for no, 2 for yes. So depending on your own choice. This is how you set the variables on SPSS. So you go to values. You go to values here while inputting your data. Then you select. There are 3 dots here. Then you select these dots. A dialog box will pop up, and you feed your variables, yes or no, successful or success or failure, etc., depending on your data that you want to work on. Now, these can be continuous or categorical. These are independent variables, and on opening the logistic regression dialog box, you can navigate to the logistic regression function in SPSS, for example, by going to analyze. Okay, analyze, then you go to regression. I think you see the regression here. Then we go direct to binary logistic. Binary, okay, regression, binary logistic. Here we are. So we click on binary logistic. Then specify your dependent and independent variables. Now here you can choose one, or you can specify your dependent. I think you can see dependent and independent variables.